Yeah, Yuri. Lovely to see you again. I met you earlier. Big, really, the improvements Yuri's made in this area are off the scale. Yuri, you're going to explain this way better than I ever could.
I try.
Show us what you've done, because it's mind-blowing.
Okay, so
pass the microphone.
I use this. Okay,
Yeah,
I'm not used to. All right. So what you can see a ladder there, and that was what I used before, and then we had the idea to get this scaffolding to do basic.
If we talk through your problem even better. Before,
Yeah,
imagine there's no scaffolding.
exactly.
And all you had to do your job, and you had to do a lot of work up the top of that roof.
Yeah,
you just
exactly.
had a ladder.
Yeah,
and sometimes the lorry could be wet, slipping. You've got heavy things to get up there. That was the problem.
Yes, very, very difficult, not safe, and a lot of time wasted also for that.
So now you come up with this idea, with this scaffolding.
Yes, exactly. So basically we got a scaffolding that we improved even better, adding the front platform just to get closer to the cabin and having more space to do my job.
So what you've got, I love the wheels you have. So you've got the wheels on here. Again, you can capture that with B-roll as well.
Yeah.
But like now you can move this whole scaffolding.
Exactly. Yeah.
Where it needs to
move
be.
Wherever I need.
And you started off with just the straight part, but it wasn't very stable.
Yeah. No. Exactly. Was just the central part with the straight platform. We added the legs, extra safety, stability. Yeah. Wheels to move it all around, forward and backward. The smaller platform.
I love what you did here. So, in the before situation, you couldn't get the platform close enough. Because sometimes
these deflectors, exactly. So
that's why you put this.
Yeah. That is filling the gap. Exactly. Is filling the gap between the central platform and the cabin itself. Yeah. I'm just inside the cabin, and I have all the space.
Massive improvement on safety.
Massive. Yeah.
And how easy it is for you to do the job.
Oh, it's very easy. It's like to just stand on the floor.
And tell us that last problem you were showing me.
The last problem?
The kayak problem.
Kayak, yeah, exactly. Yeah, this is one of the best ideas that we had all together. And it's basically this massive and heavy deflector must go just on the top of the roof of the cabin. So, yeah, the problem was still how to move this up there. So what
was happening before? Before you came up with this improvement, what was
before
what was the
this, we needed two people. We needed 2 people, 2 ladders, and climb with this.
And a lot of risk.
Yes, a lot of risk.
So I'm going to take the microphone now.
Yes,
you show us how you do it now.
Yeah. Now we added the. Oh, sorry. Yeah, thanks. We added that structure, so we could hang on this system that it's originally made to lift kayaks.
Kayaks, that's boats for anybody.
Boats, yeah. Boats and yeah, but it's very similar. So if you can,
I'll hold that for
just to show. Yeah, so it has hooks with straps to hold the deflector, and very easy. No, not much strength. Sorry. I pulled too much.
There you go.
And we can just pull it up.
Easy job.
Easy.
And it's on ratchets, you don't even...
Safe. Yeah, it's done. It's safe. I can just go up there with my tools, my stuff, the other parts, and working. With
Yuri, that's a
no
beautiful
stress.
job, man.
Yeah,
Thanks
exactly.
very much. That's
Thanks to
absolutely
you.
quality,
Thank
buddy.
you very
Lovely
much.
to meet you.
Thank you.